The thing is, I'm not used to shoot videos with somebody.
Oh.
Yes.
So
Tell us, who are you?
Sidhu.
You're Sidhu, and from where are you?
I'm from Maldives.
From Maldives?
Yeah.
So you're my colleague here?
Yeah. We are both from marketing. Right? We market the resort.
Yeah, in different ways.
Yeah. Yes. This is underwater and this is land.
Yes, underwater is much more fun.
Yes, sure.
Well, and tell me something interesting about you.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm not a very interesting person.
Shut up, you're interesting.
No.
Yes.
Like, what do you want to know?
I don't know, like for example, people who watch these videos don't understand a shit about Muslim culture. And the other day, I posted a picture about from you and me in water sports, and they were like, "Boo, you're so mean. Why you take pictures with her in bikini and she's wearing burka? You're a mean person." You think I'm a mean person?
No. It's about your beliefs and your religion. What do you want me to say about this?
No, I mean, I want you to explain.
I'm not good at explaining.
No, yes, you need to explain me, like, because for example, in your culture, like it's normal to wear burka. In my culture, it's normal to not wear burka.
Yes.
But then I feel like in Europe or no, South America not much, but Europe, people criticize women wearing burka. Like if men will all make you wear it, but it's because you want to wear it.
Yes, it's just because we want to. Like, all the people are independent. So if they want to wear it, they can. But in a religious way, we must. But there's no forcing. It's like if once they believe in it, they can wear it. Nobody should force them to.
Okay. Very good. She's explaining me.
In front of that. You're recording?
Yeah.
Most random video in the story.
Excuse me.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Supari is the best shit from Maldives. No?
It is. It's like the dessert after every meal. A little dessert. It's a candy.
It's candy, but this is like from a root, no?
Yeah, this is from, what is it called? This is a nut.
Yeah, nut.
Nut is like...
Yeah, nut, but what is the name of actually that
It's
nut? Supari nut. It's called areca nut.
areca nut. I think this is an Indian thing, right?
It's Indian? I thought it was from here. Tell me to say bad words in the camera.
Camera?
Yes, that's how we're gonna call the video. I changed my mind. You're gonna teach me how to swear in Divahi.
Swear in Divahi?
No, first you have to tell which language you speak.
We speak Divahi. Divahi is the Maldivian language. And okay, I'll teach you some words.
Tenés.
Oh, that's good.
Hace.
You know the letters even, right?
No.
Come on, say it with us, baby.
Bad board.
Yeah, Allah is not gonna hear, don't worry.
Nagual.
That is a bad word.
Nagubala.
Nagubala.
And what
Yeah.
does it mean?
That means actually it is tail. Tail being bending the tail.
Bending the tail? Wow, and what is a bad word then?
I don't know.
It's like saying bitch?
It's prostitute, no?
No, it's not like prostitute even. It's like if we want to curse someone who is like disturbing us or like we don't like them. I don't use that word,
God,
but
don't.
people use.
Nagubala.
You shouldn't use those words. That is not good.
Yeah, no, but that's what people want to learn. We give
Bad words. You want to learn some good words?
No, good words.
No.
Barabar.
What is barabar?
Good.
Good.
Sakara.
Sakara.
Bad.
Bad. Kihine.
Kihine.
How are you? How are you?
Kihine. Barabaro.
Barabar. Bararagalu.
Oh,
Very good. Vararangalu.
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 Vara is very, no?
Yeah. Vara is very. Rangalu is good.
Vara Rangalu.
Vararangalu.
Yeah.
Vara Sakara.
Varasakaya.
No.
Very bad.
Very bad.
Yeah. And
The numbers.
numbers.
Eke, de,
tine, hatare,
hatare,
fahe,
fanhe,
hae,
hae,
hate,
hate,
ashe,
anshe,
nue,
nue,
hae.
dihae.
Divahi.
9 in Spanish.
Nue.
9.
Nuae, nuvae.
Nuvae. It's like 9 but the opposite.
Nueva.
Big. Or you stay in the camera or you don't stay in the camera because
Sorry.
then you're just no sit.
Okay.
How do you say? Very annoying.
Bolattura.
Bolatura.
Volatura. I
Bolattura.
come in again. I can go out again.
What else you wanna teach me?
Kani.
Kani.
Kani means eating.
Kani.
Kani.
And how you say I'm going to eat?
Ka midani.
Kami dani.
Ka
Ka
midani.
midani. Istashimama.
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 Harry.
Grandma.
It's like we don't say it.
No, but
Nobody
the-
says it.
I know, but the guys call me like that. Halanibo.
Halanibo. It's like there are some very naughty and wild kids. Wild and naughty kids, right?
Uh-huh.
Those kind of kids they say halanibo.
They call me like that. That's why
Yeah.
I thought it was a good thing.
It's good. You're wild and it's good.
It's really sweet.
Halanibo.
Halanibo.
You are a halanibo.
Yes.
Yeah, it actually suits you. Yep. And then what?
And then what?
So we stare at the camera like this.
Yeah, and you can scratch your nose. Yeah, I mean it's good for the day. I cannot teach you tips all the time, guys. You have to also
Yeah.
meet my friends.
Yes. So I think I'll be meeting you guys a lot,
Yes.
right?
Yes. If you come and hang out more with
Next
me.
time we'll do this with a view, not with this.
Yeah, it was really shit idea, but it was like muy de improviso.
You have to show the Maldives.
Yeah, I should. Okay, let's go outside. If she says let's go outside, let's go outside. We don't want. Oh Lord. Like this?
Yeah. With the view, see, this is a nice place. So you should show them around.
Yeah, I should show them around.
This is Maldives.
Is it still like this?
Mm-hmm.
Like this is better?
Yeah. Better.
Okay, come. Show me the Maldives. Show me the water.
This is orchid. We have this all around the resort.
Orquídeas.
This is our dive club for a very. Shh, you walk here. So from this way you can go to the reception. We have a big reception. And this is a little hanging out place. You can have coffee, smoke.
In Maldives, alcohol is illegal. Illegal.
What is illegal?
Alcohol. No.
Alcohol. Like for Muslims, we don't drink alcohol. It's like we should be in our right mind always. Yeah, we shouldn't be like drunk. It's not allowed. So
You never tried
it's
alcohol in your life?
prohibited. No, I never.
Wow. And this is the name of the resort?
Yes, and Maldives is all about the palm trees. We have palm trees everywhere in all islands. Can swim all the time. See, and we have pretty sands.
White sand.
Yeah.
Come on. Hey guys! Say hello. Maybe
So this is the best part about the Maldives, the white sand beach, and this.
where are
Mudu.
they?
We say mudu.
Mudu.
In Maldives, the sea is mudu.
Yeah, it's really cool, eh? And there is a lot of sharks there, no?
They'll come around 5:30. They'll come around 5:30. Should we go that side?
Should we fly the drone?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You have to say goodbye. See you in the next video.
Goodbye and see you in the next video.
Yes.
And do come to Maldives, visit us. We have a beautiful, beautiful resort here.
Yes. Come to visit Sidhu and me.
Yes, I would love to meet you guys.